Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Before you dig into this video, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Alrighty friends, so in today's video, let's take a look at what an entire home in English country looks like. We're going to start in the bedroom, one of the most relaxing rooms. Now, you know the bedroom is the room that you go in and you want it to be welcoming to you. You want it to be calm because it needs to be perfect for getting a good night's rest. English country style is really great for a bedroom because it's all about the calmness, the coziness as well. So let's just get right into it. So one thing that you'll see in English country home decor, especially in the bedroom, are a lot of canopy beds. You're going to also see different tapestries, rugs, and also wall hangings, which is going to give your room that really cozy feel. So a lot of the English country bedrooms that you see are going to have a really warm feel to them. Now the color palette that is most commonly used are going to be earthy tones, beige, browns, greens, soft pastel hues like pale blue, pinks, or yellows. Beautiful for a bedroom. So next, let's move to the dining room. Now, English country home decor is a style that many people want to adopt for their dining rooms, even if they don't live in an 18th century castle in the rural hills of England. Now, one thing you will notice with English country decor is that a lot of the dining room furniture tend to be quite a bit larger than other styles like contemporary, Scandinavian, and that is because English country homes tend to have larger dining rooms, which would give you lots of room to design with larger pieces of furniture than you normally would in the city. You don't want the room, big huge room, small furniture, just looks a little odd and imbalanced. So a lot of time the table was bigger, the chairs were bigger. There was just more square footage to work with. So I'm also just going to give you some random facts about English country home decor. Since we're already chatting. Now, if you want to go for this style, be sure to use some natural materials like wood, stone, and brick. They are really common in English country rooms. Exposed wooden beams and brick walls can add character and charm to any space that you want to transform. So now let's move on to a very functional room of your home, the bathroom. And why not continue your love of English country in here as well? Now this room is definitely an English country fusion, but I do love it, especially the vintage like clock and chandeliers on the wall, which matches that mirror up there as well. And of course you have a lot of the updated new feel coming in from that beautiful marble countertop. as we make our way to the living room, this is the room that you're going to entertain and receive your guests so it can be as comfortable as you like. This is also the room that you live in, so you have to make it something cozy, something not only welcoming to your guests, but something that you love and your family loves as well. Once again, a lot of people think English country is so formal and they feel very uncomfortable with it as a home decor style, but it's not. You can look at these rooms and see how cozy and just at home that it actually feels. Now, a few things that you will usually see in an English country living room. You're going to see a fireplace or some other type of heat source. You're going to see nice slip-covered sofas, plush chairs, and also really patterned drapes. Alright, last but not least, the kitchen, the heart of the home, and this is a room that you can definitely let your love for English country home decor shine. If you notice, you will see a lot of beams, you'll see a lot of rustic, almost looking tables. Just like the dining room, you might even spot a hutch or two. Everything is convenient and you're going to see almost vintage looking patterns, like something has been passed down from generation to generation. Now, of course, you can fuse your English country style with more modern looks for a more modern, updated take on English country. It all really depends on you. Also though, keep in mind you're still going to see those same muted colors, those same neutral colors that we had looked at. You're basically going to see that throughout the house. Okay friends, so that was today's video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel. This has been another And Then There Was Style video, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.